have the Casio F-91W, and I'll be showing you how to change the straps of this watch. Now, in case your strap is broken, then you can replace it yourself. You can just buy new straps, which are very affordable on eBay or on Amazon, and then you can change them yourself. Now, these straps are held by pins in here, and all you have to do is push out the pin. Now, on the straps, you should see arrows. This arrow here and this arrow here, and those arrows basically show you which direction you should push the pin out. Okay, so this one shows this direction. Okay, so you want to push the pin in that direction, and you can use a paper clip or even a seam ejector tool, which are available these days. And so what you want to do is, so I'll turn it over, and the arrow this time faces this way. And so what you want to do is just put that paper clip or ejector tool into this little hole here. All right, so just put it in there and push in the direction of the arrow. So let's try to use a little bit more force. Now it might require a little extra force, but eventually the pin comes out, as you can see. And so once it comes out, you can take out the paper clip or seam ejector tool and then just pull out the pin. If you have a pair of tweezers, you can use that. Just like that. Okay, and you can tell this is the side that came out fast because it should look a little different from the other side. Okay, so once you get your new strap, you can just align it with the watch and then put the pin back, of course with this pointed side going in fast in the opposite direction of the arrow this time. And then just push it in, and you want to make sure you push it all the way in. And as long as it's aligned, you can now go ahead and even use that same paper clip to push it all the way in. There you go, and you can actually hear it snap in place. So that's basically how to change the straps. Should take you a very short time, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck.